Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to get Brightcore in Lego Fortnite. So first of all, hop onto Lego Fortnite and click on play, hop into your own world. We want a grassland biome and with a desert connected. So make sure you find a desert in your island. That's where we'll need to go first. And then I will show you how to get the Brightcore in a desert cave. So to get Brightcore, we have to go in a desert cave. To farm it, we need a uncommon or higher pickaxe. So make sure you have that with you, and make sure you have something to cool you off in the cave because it gets really hot if you're playing survival, so you don't die instantly. So you can try to get a snowberry, and you can have this cool-headed charm in your inventory as well. You can just hop in the cave. Once you have hopped in the cave, quickly use your snowberry, and then we want to look for a bright stone once we're in here. Get your uncommon pickaxe out. Make sure you keep an eye on your health so you don't die because it's too warm. I see one right here. You can farm it with your uncommon pickaxe or higher. Just start farming, and then you're able to pick up this Brightcore. So when you're going into the sand cave, make sure you have enough stuff cooling you down so you don't die. Keep an eye on your health and keep an eye out for enemies. These are usually quite dangerous in survival mode. Then just head on over to the Brightcore with your uncommon or higher pickaxe and you're good to go. You just break it and then you can head on back out of the cave to your base. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be making more videos on topics. We already have videos on how to get obsidian and other cave items, so make sure you check those out if you want to learn more about that.